We got a 2015 F150 here, and we were going to do a headlight upgrade on it. We were going to upgrade the bulbs to LEDs, and we got the two sets here. Top is H11, bottom is 9005, and we're going to show you the easy method to replace the bulbs. And that basically requires loosening the inner fender and pulling it away to be able to get to the back of the headlight. You do not need to remove the tire to do this. Most people leave it on. We just remove the tire for the video just to give us more room for filming. So on this inner fender here, you got 3 bolts that you need to remove and 1 little retaining clip. These are 7/32, and we will start by removing these 3. Again, there's a lot more that hold this inner panel on, but we only need to remove these 4 little things just to be able to pry it out enough to get to the bulbs. Those 3 out of the way, and you come to your little retaining clip, and what you can basically do is this is threaded, spin it until it won't come out any farther, and it's like that. And you take a screwdriver, we have a little fastener tool, just get back there and just pop it out. Retrieve that real quick. Now with that removed, we can kind of peel back this fender to get access to the headlights. I'm going to try to get it as much out of the way as possible for this video. So I'm going to just take a bungee cord just to help hold it out of the way. Fasten that through there and just have it held back. So with that done, we can get to this lower bulb and this upper bulb up here. First step is removing the dust covers on these. So we will pull these dust covers off. There's the bottom one, and exposes the bulb in there. We're going to go ahead and pull the top one as well. Top one removed. So then you reach in here and grab the bulb at the base and just spin it and then pop it out. I'm just going to pry back this little clip and remove the bulb. Get that removed. I'm going to set it out of the way and get our new LED right here. And you can go ahead and plug it right back in to the same connector. Put it in there the same way. Get it lined up. Give it a twist. Secure it in place. Won't move. I'm going to tuck the wires in here. And then we can put the dust boot back on that. Fighting me a little bit. All right, there we go. And then same process for the top bulb. Reach up here, spin it and loosen it, get it out of there, remove it from the base, set that one out of the way. Again, this top bulb is an H11. Get situated and plug that back in. Insert that back in the base of the headlight. This one's a little trickier to do because you can't really see what you're doing. Kind of going by feel here. Now we're gonna put this top boot on up here. Oh no, you probably can't see anything. It's tricky. The top boot securely on there. And we can start the process of putting this back together. We'll get this tucked back up in the spot it needs to be. And the last one here is this little clip. Get that one lined up with the hole. Press it back in place. Give it a few spins, tighten it up. And that's all done. I'll come here and turn on these headlights for you.